who is stranded all alone in the island of Tahiti. Night after night, she dreamt of being rescued but found contentment when she danced. Through her love for dance, she realized she didn't need to be saved. She had the power and strength to move on and endure what the island threw at her. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final round of our first soloist, number 158. House drummer, she is Pehe, number 1. Let's put our hands together for Myshka, Javier. Judges are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Myshka from Kawailehua, your first soloist for the third round of Grand Champ. All right, Myshka, you can exit the stage. Thank you so much.